Okay, here's the key fob, and that's the little receiver unit on top of the battery. And press that. It makes Mr. Pigeon flap. So we'll have a look, see how far out we can go. I reckon about 40 yards, 45 yards is going to be plenty, but we'll have to see how far we go. Okay, here we are, 20 yards, that's the key fob. No problem. And 30 yards. Zoom that in. And 40 yards. Okay. Right, we're up to 50 yards. Still looking good. Right, we're out to 60 yards now. Not bad. That's at 60 yards, and that's more than enough for anybody, I think. I'll probably lose power now. I'll give it another 10, see how far we can get it. Right, I'm out at 70 now, and it's still working. Wow. That's at 70 yards. Okay, 70 yards, well, that was the maximum. Doesn't want to know at 80. So, we're looking at 70 yards max. We'll go back in, make sure it still works at that. Okay, back in at 70. 60 rather. Yeah, that's fine. And there you have it. That's the remote control key fob. It works directly off the battery, plugs into the flapper, plugs into the battery, got a little aerial and key fob here. When you press it, makes your flapper flap. I'll just show you the sender unit, the receiver unit rather, quickly while we're out here. There's Mr. Pidgey, flapping away. So we've got this nice little box here. It's fused for your own safety. Hopefully you don't catch your farmer's field of light. Nice chunky wiring. Small little aerial. Goes on top. It sits alongside your battery. Obviously the higher you can get it up the better, so I think what we'll do, put some straw underneath that, get that up like that, and disguise everything around it. Just have the aerial poking out, so gives a nice bit of height. And that's it. Remote control with the box coupled up to the flapper. Sweet.